There's caves, eh? Yeah, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go check it out.
Did you?
Do you have a walkie-talkie? Do you want a walkie-talkie?
Still further down? Pardon me? But is this where you were seeing the movement?
Down.
Further, all right. And on the left or the right side? those sticks were placed there. Where? Oh, okay. So is this about where you saw? All right.
They crossed all the way across?
So we're at the area where Robin saw something doing hide and peek on the left side of this trackway, with the blue post in the middle being signifying the main gas line that cuts through this entire property to the north to Marionville. Back that way, obviously behind that stump, is some suspicious placements of stick work as we're looking at it on the right hand side of this trackway. And they
Should we just sit for a while? 10, 15 minutes, be quiet, see if anything pops in?
Right up here, it's another field, open field.
Let's walk up to the main gas line, because whatever was playing sneak and peek either, well, is gone.
Wind or knock. This is where me and Al got it. This is where me and Al.
Right. But you didn't see it cross this expanse. You just saw it on this side. Okay, well, let's... just as a reference, that's a clear patch at my feet. This is my foot. I'm stomping. I'm 200 and some odd pounds, 210, 215. That's the impression I'm not leaving behind in this stuff. That was a size 13 boot. And I've been scanning the crowns of the forest, so I'll have to be a mighty small, hairy, scary guy to hide behind some of these toothpicks that are the tops of these trees. But the brush, on the other hand, and the folds that exist in the ground, it could literally be between me and those trees directly in front of this camera lens, and would not know because of the folds in the ground.
See, it's hidden. I don't want anyone to go forward.
And Robin back there is saying that she is feeling senses of not wanting to go forward. I am obtuse in the spiritual world, if you will, and I feel no such trepidation. So I will proceed forward. And I laugh because to the left of me, they say that is a hill. And I'm from British Columbia. That, my Westerners, is a pitching mound. One of the things that we all must be aware of, including you, the audience, that have never met I or any of the other individuals you see in this production, is falling into another person's bubble of stories and reading too much into what's been related to you or what is being suggested to you that you should think or feel or choose to believe as fact. Your skepticism is absolutely essential. This is a well-logged area. And we are at the pipeline. We're looking north towards Marionville, cycling. And that is the path that we have taken. And this is looking south towards Clarion. And this is looking the rest of this path and trackway as I stand on a corduroy bridge. And I will end it here.